So before this video starts, I want to give a disclaimer that this is just my experience. This is not in any way supposed to be taken as professional advice or anything like that. These are just personal experiences that will help you understand how the vaccine works a little better. So if you still have any doubts, you can put it in the comments below and I'll try to get the most professional people to answer. But you still should consult your doctor and anyone you trust with such information before actually taking a decision. So yeah, this is just a disclaimer that I want to put out there. Why we got it first is because, if you all don't already know, I am a medical student. I am in second year right now, so the medical fraternity is getting priority because they have the maximum exposure to COVID patients, etc. We had to go and take it through our college in LTMMC Sion Hospital, and this is the Covishield vaccine, which is the Oxford one. Some contraindications for this vaccine: first is if you're below 18 years, then second is if you're pregnant, if you're acutely ill or hospitalized, or if you're already COVID positive. These are the 4 conditions where this vaccination is contraindicated. The ability to cause diseases, pathogenicity, and the ability to produce antibodies in our bodies, antigenicity. So a vaccine ideally should lack pathogenicity but have antigenicity. So that's exactly what this vaccine has. It's a live vaccine, and it's called Covishield, and it's given as an intramuscular injection, usually on the left deltoid. The first dose is given, and after 28 days, or this is just the first dose that we've gotten, and after 28 days we need to go and take a booster dose, and the vaccine is said to be around 70% effective. So yeah, this is all about the vaccine. Now let's go and get. Hey guys, so we are here to take the vaccine. I can't show you.
You want me? I thought I was in the house.
So we've come to take the vaccine, and this guy has forgotten his ID, so we're going to go back.
In the car, please.
Yeah, but yeah, I'm going to keep you updated on how it goes. Waiting for a very long time in this line. How long have you all been waiting in the line, guys?
We've been waiting for an hour now. It's sad.
It was
damn nice. She was really good at injecting.
Yeah, it was really nice. Great service, I'd say. Really good.
We're still stuck in the line, and I just got here. But yeah, we're still waiting for the token, and it's basically. It's mine. It's going to go on YouTube. That's correct. It will. Got the token now, and we're waiting for the vaccine. It's taking forever.
Super excited about my Lassi Karan. Can't wait to get it. I'm too excited. Now that we're getting the vaccine, fever, myalgia, come at me, bro.
So I just got the vaccine, and now I'm waiting here in the observation area for 30 minutes. That's what they said. For lunch, and also clearly it's not making us feel weak or anything. In 4 hours, 4.5 hours since I took the vaccine, and I'm feeling pretty fine. I feel like I'm driving around, and I don't feel any symptoms.
Hey guys, so I got vaccinated at 1:30 and it's 6:30 right now, and I don't have any symptoms yet. I just have a little bit of pain in my left arm, which is where we took the vaccine.
Hi, so it's 9:30. I'm just starting to get a little bit of a headache, but I'm not sure if that has to do with the vaccine. I'm tired, but nothing major, no major symptoms I have.
So update, I'm feeling a little feverish, but I told my dad to check my temperature, and he said I don't have fever at all and he laughed at me. But I don't know, I'm just feeling feverish, so before sleeping I just want to take a Crocin so that when I wake up I don't have any symptoms or anything.
So update, I slept before sleeping. I took a Dolo, which is like paracetamol only, so I took that, and I was feeling quite weak before sleeping, so I just wanted, and I was getting a headache also, like I mentioned before, I think. And now I woke up a lot, around 7ish right now, and I'm feeling a little feverish, and I'm a little warm, and I'm feeling a little weak. So that's not too much, but I'm still I'm feeling the symptoms a little. I've taken one more paracetamol now, and I was a little feverish even in the morning, and I have light muscle pain. My site where I took the injection is still kind of tender, and I'm feeling quite weak.
day 2 and I have 101 degrees fever. I have a mild headache and I'm feeling very nauseous and I'm feeling quite cold. So yeah.
So I actually had a pretty good experience. The vaccine didn't hurt at all and I had no symptoms. I had like a slight headache the next day, but it wasn't, I don't think it really was to do with the vaccine. Right after the vaccine, my shoulder was hurting a little bit, but that's just because that's what they gave the vaccine. Other than that, I had nothing.
I got vaccinated around 11 o'clock in the morning. I was absolutely normal till 6 p.m. in the evening. But after that, I started feeling tired and didn't feel like doing anything. Around 8 o'clock, I started having body ache, which was mostly in the lower limbs and in my back. So after dinner, I ate a paracetamol and slept quite early. Today morning, I woke up feeling quite fresh. There was almost no body ache, but there was pain in my left arm at the site of injection, for which I applied ice pack. Now I am perfectly fresh and back to my routine. I am really grateful to have got this opportunity of vaccination so soon, and I will urge everyone who is watching this video to avail of this facility once you get the chance.
So when I got the text about getting the vaccine, I was really nervous. I was happy, but I was nervous. Basically, there's a lot of misinformation about the vaccine going around, and so it's important to get your facts checked. But once I did that, I spoke to my friends. They calmed me down, and yeah, I got the vaccine yesterday. It's been more than 24 hours and I've been lucky. I've got no symptoms at all, not even fever, nothing significant, just little pain in my arm where she gave the dose, where she injected the vaccine. Overall, very good experience.
I didn't develop any major symptoms like fever or chills on the day of my vaccination. I just had slight pain at the site, which was relieved by ice pack. Then the next day around noon-ish, I developed a fever around 100 degree Fahrenheit, which was relieved by paracetamol. So I didn't have any major symptoms as such, but just common side effects of vaccination.
Day 2, meaning I got vaccinated yesterday. About the adverse effects, yesterday I did not experience anything at all. Today morning I woke up with a slight fever and it got progressively worse. So I did have to take a Crocin for that. I still have body ache. My head hurts a little bit, but it's bearable, meaning I can still work if I want to. I just don't want to. It's nothing. I would say if you're getting a chance to take the vaccine, please do it. But until then, wear your masks and be safe.
Approximately 5 to 6 hours after vaccination, I was down with fever and felt quite weak, but these symptoms resolved after I took a paracetamol and rested properly. The area near the injection site felt quite heavy, but the pain has subsided over the last 24 hours. I can say that the symptoms are manageable and you guys should definitely go for the vaccine.
I took the Covishield vaccine yesterday, and the actual process of taking the vaccine, it didn't really hurt. It was very chill. It was just a small needle prick and there were no immediate side effects. We were kept for observation for 30 minutes, but that was all fine. In the evening, I did develop a little bit of fever and a terrible headache. So I took a paracetamol for that. And in the night, I woke up again with a very bad headache and 100 or 101 degree fever. So again, I took a paracetamol for that. And the next morning, I woke up. I had severe body ache and my left arm was a little sore. And the fever did continue. But again, I took a paracetamol and I've been feeling much better after that. And so yeah, nothing too severe after the vaccine.
I think for a good 5-6 hours after I took the vaccine, I was quite symptom free, nothing was happening. But after that, around 7:30, 8 o'clock in the evening, I developed this weird hip joint pain on my right side laterally, which I am not even sure if it's because of the vaccine, because it's not the most common symptom to have up here. But it was until 12 a.m, until midnight, that was the only thing that was happening to me. And around 12 a.m, when I was about to sleep, I was a little feverish. I didn't actually develop fever, and I was shivering a lot and my arm was hurting a little bit, but I fell asleep in some time, and when I woke up in the morning next day, I was very okay and normal. And now it's just the arm that's pain, especially the site where I was injected. Otherwise, it's all chill.
So I got the vaccine day before yesterday around 2 o'clock in the afternoon, and the day I got the vaccine I felt pretty okay up until night time around 11 when I got a really high fever and I had chills. So that lasted through the night, and then yesterday through the day I had body ache and headache, which was manageable all with paracetamol, and I got a rise in temperature around the evening time. And then yesterday night, which was my second night, I had a little bit of a fever, and today morning I woke up feeling fine with just a slight headache, but other than that it was all okay and manageable.
The entire procedure was quite painless, and I started getting a few symptoms after a few hours. I got chills and fever. I managed that by taking paracetamol. The next day after the vaccination, again I had fever and chills, but I had no other symptoms besides that. I managed that by taking paracetamol. 2 days after the vaccine, which is today, I'm completely fine. I have no symptoms.
Hey guys, experienced was a slight fever of 101 degrees Fahrenheit the very same night, and pain in my shoulder where I was vaccinated. However, these two symptoms are common for any vaccine that you all might take. And I'm really grateful basically that I got the vaccine so quickly, and I urge all of y'all to get vaccinated whenever you'll get the chance to do so.
So hi, my name is Amay and I recently got vaccinated on 22nd January. For me, the vaccination center was Sion Hospital. First day I didn't feel any symptoms. I was just sweating a lot, and I remember having a cold. The next day I woke up with a fever. I had a severe body ache. I just couldn't get out of the bed. So I slept till 7 p.m. and the third day I just had soreness in my arm.
Hi, I'm Sairi, and my experience with the vaccine was that on the day that I took it, I was completely fine. In fact, I was a little sad because I low-key wanted to feel something, and I think I kind of jinxed it because that night I got fever at around 11:30, having taken the vaccine at 1 o'clock, and I had around 101 fever with chills. So I immediately took paracetamol and the fever came down, but the chills persisted for a while, and I was up the whole night because I couldn't sleep because of the chills. But in the morning, when I woke up, I slept for like 2 hours, and then I took paracetamol again. So the fever came down, and I was fine the whole day. Like, I was a little tired, I had a little myalgia and a little headache. But again at night I got a little fever, and that too was controlled by paracetamol. So the good thing is that I expected all of these symptoms, having read up about it, and I had a little soreness at the injection site the whole day yesterday, especially when I was lifting my arm. But that's gone today. Today is the third day. I feel completely fine and I'm perfectly normal. So I advise everyone to please take the vaccine because it is safe and we know what the side effects are.
Hi, I'm Dr. Amit Tadani. I am a consulting general surgeon practicing in Mumbai and Navi Mumbai. I took the Covishield vaccine at BKC Center in Mumbai on Saturday, that is 23rd. As such, I don't really have any problems. I went for a walk and run on Sunday morning. I did my daily duties and attended rounds and everything. And even today I'm at work. So you can take the vaccine, there's no problem at all. Don't be afraid of the shot, and don't believe rumor mongers.
This is something that everyone has been waiting for and is curious about, and since I had access to it so early on, I felt like it was just a duty for me to talk about my experience with it, etc., and just get as many people to help you all understand it better. Thanks for listening, and I hope you found this video insightful and helpful, because that's my only intention. And click the subscribe button and share this video if you found it helpful, because I genuinely wanted to reach to as many people as possible, because I've seen so many people who are so apprehensive. And yeah, one more thing, once you get the vaccine, that does not mean that you cannot wear a mask and stuff like that, because the vaccine still takes, like, it's still a live virus that you're injecting, so it's still going to take like 4 weeks to properly make antibodies in your body. So till then you're still at a risk, and that doesn't mean in any way that you get the vaccine and the next day you just throw your mask away. It doesn't work like that. So don't be under any false impressions that this is some sort of magic thing that's going to work in 1 second, because it's not. but it's the closest thing we can get to a cure right now. And I hope this video helps you all in some way, and if it does, then don't forget to give it a huge thumbs up. Subscribe to this channel if you're new here, or if you haven't already, because I'm trying different sort of content, and tell me if you like this sort of stuff.